Magandang araw mga bata! Nandito muli tayo sa isang panibagong video tutorial session ni Teacher Jen. Kasama ko muli si Ginoong Pigit. Ngayon ay matutunghayan naman natin ang subtraction of rational expressions. Ano ang kanilang aabangan, Ginoong Pigit? Ang aabangan nila ay kung paano mag-subtract ng rational expressions. At nag-review din pala si Teacher Jen kung paano mag-subtract ng fractions. Kasi ang subtraction of fractions ay katulad lamang ng subtraction of rational expressions. Kaya ano ang gagawin nila? Gotsit na yan. Ang gagawin nila ay kukunin ang kanilang modules at makinig na mabuti. Ano? Mga bata, tara na kasi magsosolve din kami ni Ginoong Pikit. Maraming salamat sa pagpapakilala uli sa akin, Ginoong Pikit at Gotsip na yan. Katulad ng nasabi nila kanina, ang ating lesson, ang ating pag-aaralan naman ngayon, ay subtraction of rational algebraic expressions. Yan. So natapos na tayo dun sa tatlo, multiplication, division, addition. So nandito na tayo ngayon sa panghuli, subtraction of rational algebraic expressions. So meron tayong dalawang objectives. Una, to subtract similar rational algebraic expressions. And the second one is to subtract dissimilar rational algebraic expressions. So, yung una sa similar rational expressions, i-apply natin yung proseso sa pagsusubtract ng similar fractions. So, number one, to subtract similar fractions, you copy the denominator and subtract the numerator. And the second one, simplify the fraction if it's not in the lowest term. Okay, so dun muna tayo sa similar. So in similar, you have 5 over x minus 2 over x. Okay. So, wait lang. Okay. So, let us proceed. Let's proceed on our first example. So, number one, you have here 5 over x minus 3 over x. So, we copy the denominator and subtract the numerator. So, you have 5 minus 3. So, you have now 2 over x. So, this is our final answer. Okay, so ganun lang po kadali ang pagsusubtract ng rational expressions. Then, second example, we have, second example is we have 5 over x plus 2 over x squared minus 2 over x squared. So you have 5x plus 2 minus 2 all over x squared. So we copy the denominator since they are similar fractions. So you have now 5x plus 2 minus 2. So 5x plus 2 minus 2 over x squared. So you have now
Ayusin natin. So you have now 5x over x squared. So as you can see, pwede pa nating i-lowest term yung nakuha natin. So we can have 5 times x all over x multiplied by x. So meron tayong common factor. So x divided by x, you have 1. Remember that our uh, our expressions in numerator and denominators are both monomials. Parehas silang monomials, kaya pwede natin gawin to. So you have 5 over x. That's the answer, 5 over x. Okay. So if you have questions, you can drop it in the comment section. Pakilagay lang sa comment section kung meron po kayong katanungan. Okay, number 3. Number 3, we have 4x plus 2. Wait lang, mali ata ako nang nakuha. Okay, 4x plus 2 minus 3x. 4x plus 2 minus 3x. The last example, 4x plus 2 over x plus 2 minus 3x over x plus 2. So copy the denominator. So you have x plus 2. Then you have 4x plus 2 minus 3x. So you have now 4x plus 2 minus 3x all over x plus 2. So here, we're going to subtract similar terms. So you have 4x minus 3x plus 2 all over x plus 2. So you have x plus 2. So 4 minus 3, you have 1. So 1x or x plus 2 all over x plus 2. Okay. Now, as we can see, meron tayong similar yung ating numerator and denominator. So x plus 2 divided by x plus 2. So that would be 1. And here, that would be 1. So you have now 1 over 1, or just simply 1. Okay. So that's the final answer for number 3. So ganun lang po kadali mag-subtract ng similar rational expressions. Now, proceed tayo sa dissimilar. Proceed tayo sa dissimilar. Okay. So in subtracting dissimilar fractions, parehas lang siya sa in subtracting dissimilar rational expressions, parehas lang siya sa pag-subtract ng dissimilar fractions. Okay, so kunin muna natin yung example number 1. 5 over x minus 2 over x squared. So, dissimilar subtraction of dissimilar dapat double S, dissimilar rational algebraic expressions. So number 1, you have 5 over x minus 2 over x squared. Is that the given earlier? Okay. Now, let's put in this context. So you have here 1/3, let's say 1/3 minus 2 over 9. Okay. So ang gagawin nyo po is gagawin nyo siyang similar fractions. Kasi dissimilar sila para ma-subtract ninyo. So, kung mapapansin po ninyo, isa sa mga fractions po natin ang mag-a-adjust. Let's say for example si 3. Si 3 ay pwedeng maging 9, tama? Pero si 9 kasi, kung isipin natin, hindi siya pwedeng maging 3. Okay? So, para si 3 maging 9, yung denominator, magmumultiply tayo ng 3 over 3, ng 3 over 3. So, 3 times 3, that would be 9. 3 times 1, that would be 3. Sorry, hindi na pala tayo gagalaw dito. Hindi na natin gagalawin ito. Hindi na tayo magkakaroon ng multiplier kasi nasa 9 na siya. 9 na yung denominator niya. So, mag-as is lang siya. Okay? So, anong mangyayari? We can have now 3 minus 2 over 9. So, you have now 1 over 9. Okay. Yan. So, ilalagay din natin sa ganitong context. Okay. So, una, gagawin muna natin similar fractions. So, 5 over x minus 2 over x squared. Okay. So, katulad ng nireview natin kanina, isa sa mga expressions ang mag-a-adjust. Okay. So, si x ay pwedeng maging x squared kung magta-times ako ng x over x. So, kumbaga, itong fraction na, itong expression na to ay pwede niyang gayahin yung denominator nito. So sa case na to, yung unang, yung minuend, sorry, ang minuend ang mag-a-adjust. Okay? Mag-a-adjust ng fraction. I-recall pala natin. So, ito ang minuend. Minuend yung unang entry. At ito ang subtrahend. Yan. That's the subtrahend. Okay. Now, let's proceed. So, you have here x squared. So, you have 5x over x squared. So, ito, kokopyahin na lang natin kasi x squared na yung denominator. So, next step, proceed in subtraction. So, you have 5x minus 2 all over x squared. Okay. So, here, titingnan natin yung ating expressions kung pwede pang i-factor. Pero dito, dahil hindi na siya factorable, parehas, if you're going to recall the 6 kinds of factoring, hindi siya factorable. Okay? So, wala nang common factor yung numerator at denominator, and at the same time, they are relatively prime. So, therefore, this is now our final answer. Okay. Next. How about 5x plus 2 5x plus 2 all over 5x plus 2 all over x squared minus 1. Sige, so let's have that one. So number 2, 5x plus 2 over x squared minus 1 minus 2 over x plus 1. Okay, tama. Next. Okay. So, this time, kailangan isa sa kanila ang mag-a-adjust. Isa sa mga denominators natin ang mag-a-adjust. Pero tingnan muna natin yung denominator. Ang denominator kasi natin ay x squared minus 1 at x plus 1. Si x squared minus 1, ang factor niya ay x plus 1 times x minus 1. At ito, x plus 1 lang. So, between the two expressions, sino sa kanila ang mas madaling mag-adjust ng denominator? So, syempre, mas madaling mag-adjust or ang mag-a-adjust ng denominator is yung subtrahen natin, which is x plus 1. So, minus. Okay. Now, si x squared minus 1 ay mayroon ng x plus 1. Okay. So, si x plus 1 ay pwedeng maging x squared minus 1 kung mayroon kang multiplier na x minus 1. So, ibig sabihin, ito, magkakaroon tayo dito ng multiplier na x minus 1 para maging similar fractions tayo. Para maging x squared minus 1 siya. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, wala na akong gagawin sa minuend ko, sa first entry ng aking subtraction. So, wala na akong gagawin dyan kasi yung subtrahen ang nag-adjust. See? Ito yung nag-adjust. So, meron ka rito 2 times x minus 1. Okay. So, pag sinolve natin to ngayon, you have now 5x plus 2 minus, simplify natin, minus, ito ay 2x, then 2 times negative 1 minus 2. All over x squared minus 1. Okay. Ngayon, meron pang inatatanging rule sa subtraction. Ang rule natin sa subtraction is always change the sign of the subtrahend. Always change the sign of subtrahend. So, papalitan natin to ngayon. So, from positive 2x, this would be negative 2, and this would be positive. Palit tayo. Always change the sign of subtrahend. Sulat ko yung given. Minus, change the sign of subtrahend. So from positive 2x, it becomes negative 2x. From negative 2, it becomes positive 2. So yun yung rule. Always change the sign of subtrahend and proceed to addition. So from subtraction, magiging addition. All over x squared minus 1. Okay. So sa pag-a-apply ng subtraction ng dissimilar rational expressions, wag natin kakalimutan yung rule sa numbers, sa integers. Na kapag different signs or yung rule sa subtractions na always change the signs of subtrahend and proceed to addition. So ito na ngayon yung susundin natin. So burahin ko lang to. Yan. So habang binubura ko, i-recall ninyo yung mga rules sa subtraction. Don't forget that rule kasi po mamamali kayo ng answer. Pag meron kayong rule kasi na nakalimutan in the middle of solution, lalo na kung napaka-importante niya, you cannot come up with the right answer or with the correct answer. Okay, so you have now 5x plus 2. So 5x, so combine natin ang similar terms natin. So 5x plus negative 2x plus 2 plus 2. So ito na yung bago natin ngayon. Dito ko to kinuha. All over x squared minus 1. So you have now 3x, 5 plus negative 2, positive 3x plus 4 equals x squared minus 1. Okay, so as you can see, pag na-recall natin yung ating factoring, pag finactor mo tong x squared minus 1, wala namang ma-divide. Okay? So for example, factor natin 3x plus 4 over x minus 1 by x plus 1. Si numerator, hindi na siya mapafactor. So kung pinactor natin at wala namang madidivide, so therefore, yung ating answer ay nasa simplest form na. So ito na yung ating final answer. Because the numerator and the denominator is relatively prime. Okay. Now, meron pala akong napansin dun sa given ko kanina sa number 1. Ma'am, hindi mo naman in-apply yung rule ng subtraction. Balikan ko yung number 1. Ma'am, hindi mo naman in-apply yung rule ng subtraction eh. Yung 5x minus 2. Okay. To. This one. Hindi pala yan. Ito. Ma'am, hindi mo naman po in-apply yung sa subtraction. Siya na ba yan? 5x minus 2. Okay. So, balikan ko lang. Andito tayo sa solution ng 5x over x squared minus 2 over x squared. Andyan tayo sa part na solution na yan. Tama ba? So, pag in-apply natin yung rule, change the sign of subtrahend. Ang subtrahend ko ay 2. So, magiging negative 2 and proceed to addition over x squared. So, ganun pa rin. You still have 5x minus 2 over x squared. Okay. So, same answer pa rin. Same answer pa rin tayo. Okay, so let's have number, I think we're in number 3. Ngayon po, linawin ko lang, nagkataon sa aking given, nagkataon yung mga given ko, ito hindi ko na-applyan to ng, hindi ko nasabi, hindi siya hindi na-applyan, hindi ko nasabi yung rule ng subtraction sa similar rational expressions. Okay? Pero nagkataon kasi na yung given ko ay simple ng konti. Ayan. Sige, so magbibigay ako mamaya ng rational expressions na similar tapos i-apply natin yung yung rule. Okay. So number 3. So you have 4x plus 2 over x plus 2 minus 3x squared over x squared. Let's have this one. Last na pala yun. Okay. Number 3, let's have 4x plus 2 over x plus 2. Is that the given? Minus 3x squared over x. Minus 3x squared over x. Okay. So as you can see, the two denominators are really different. Talagang magkaiba. So, ang gagawin natin, kung ano yung ginawa natin sa addition para maging similar fraction, i-apply natin dito. So, minus 3x squared over x. So, anong ginawa natin sa addition? Ang ginawa natin sa addition, kung ano yung partner niya na given, yun ang kanyang multiplier. So, limbawa ito sa x plus 2, ang partner niya dito ay si x. So, ang multiplier niya ay x over x. Ito naman, ang partner niyang denominator ay x plus 2. So, times x plus 2. So, dito, you have now x times x plus 2 and you have x times x plus 2. So, parehas na sila ngayon ng denominator. So, you have now x times 4x plus 2 and you have 3x squared times x plus 2. Okay. So, simplify natin. Simplify natin. So you have now 4x squared plus 2x. Okay, don't forget minus 3x cubed plus 6x squared. Okay. So, dito naman, simplify natin. X squared plus 2x. Okay. So, don't forget to apply subtraction. The laws of subtraction rule. Change the sign of subtrahend. So, let's do this one. So, you have 4x squared plus 2x. Ano ang papalitan ng sign? Yung subtrahend. Yung last entry. Papalitan natin yung sign ng last entry. So, ito, from positive, it turns out into negative 3x squared. From positive 6x, magiging negative 6x squared. Then, proceed sa addition. All over x squared plus 2x. Okay. So, let us combine similar terms. Is it x squared? Hindi ata x squared to. Sorry, it's my mistake. Ito pala ay 3. Ito pala ay 3. Yan. So, combine similar terms. So, you have, wala tayong similar terms ng x cubed. So, we have negative 3x cubed. But, we have negative 6x squared. We have negative 6x squared and 4x squared. So, plus 4x squared minus 6x squared plus 2x. So, we have now 4 plus negative 6. So, negative 2. So, negative 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x over x squared plus 2x. Okay. So, hindi pa dyan natatapos kasi isi-simplify pa natin yung ating given. Yan. Okay. So, napaka-importante na ina-apply natin yung rule sa subtraction. Kasi pag hindi natin in-apply, hindi tayo nag-change ng sign, maybe you can come up on the same answer. Yung sa examples ko kasi kanina sa rational expressions, kahit hindi mo palitan, nagkataon 'yon na na parehas ng answer kahit hindi mo palitan. Okay. So mamaya magbibigay ako ng examples na pinapalitan siya. Pero para hindi malito yung mga bata. Okay. Now, isa na tayo. Yan, so dito, this one, yan. Sanay ako sa solution na may mga arrow, arrow, arrow. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, numerator and denominator has a common monomial factor. Lahat mayroong x. So, ilabas natin tong x. So, x times negative 3x squared minus 2x plus 2. Okay, para madali sa ating mag-factor, pwede rin nating ilabas yung negative. So, pag nilabas mo itong negative, this turns out, negative x, magiging positive to ngayon. Positive. Wait lang. Gumalaw yung board ko. Magiging positive yan. Tapos, si 2 will turns out into negative 2. Kasi nilabas natin yung positive. Kasi itong first term natin ay negative. So, kung gusto niyo siyang maging positive, ilalabas mo yung negative, madadamay lahat tong kasama niya. Magpapalit lahat ng sign. Kasi nasa iisang expression sila. Remember, ito po ay trinomial. Magkakasama yung mga yan. Ang treatment natin dyan ay trinomial. Ang treatment mo dito sa ilalim, binomial. Hindi mo sila pwedeng i-treat na puro monomial. So the same with this, ilalabas mo rin yung x, so you have x times x plus 2. Okay. Pag ikaw ay sanay ng kumilala ng mga klase ng factoring, magiging madali sa'yo. Kaya nga sabi ko sa umpisa ng video, you keep on practicing, practicing, and practicing. Okay? So, pag factor natin dito, pwede natin tong i-divide. May madi-divide dito. So, this would turns out into negative. Naiwan yung negative. So, that would be negative 3x squared plus 2x minus 2 all over x plus 2. Now, si denominator, alam natin hindi na mapa-factor. Pero si numerator, pwede tayong mag-try kung mapa-factor. Pwede nyo i-try kung mapa-factor siya. So obviously, this is general trinomials. Yung numerator mo is general trinomials. So magta-try tayo ng AC method. So kung ito ang AC, ito ang A. So 3 times negative 2, that would be negative 6. Isip ka ng factor ng negative 6 na ang sum ay positive 2. Ito yung sum. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, meron lang tayong 6 times 1, 3 times 2. Diyan lang iikot yung ating value. So it's either isang negative. Dahil ang sum natin ay positive, so ito ang positive. At ito ang negative. So kung i-apply natin yung technique, so most probably walang lalabas. Walang lalabas na positive 2. Kasi pag inad mo to, this would be negative 5. At ito naman ay 1. Positive 5, positive 1. So yun lang ang range ng values natin. 1 at saka 5 lang ang pwede. So therefore, kung wala kang makuhang factor na ang sum ay positive 2, ibig sabihin hindi siya factorable. So kung hindi ito factorable at ito ay hindi rin, ibig sabihin the two expressions here are relatively prime. So therefore, this is our final answer already. So negative 3x squared plus 2x minus 2 all over x plus 2. Okay, so this is now our final answer. Okay, now if you have some questions, sort of questions, you can drop it on the comment section. So ngayon, itatry ko magbigay. Ibibigay ko na. Yan. Ibibigay ko na yung similar similar rational expressions na i-apply natin yung subtraction. Ma'am, baka kasi maging common mistake ng bata. Yun yung disadvantage siguro kapag ang teacher ay matagal na niyang tinuturo yung subject. Okay? May mga nakakalimutan siyang rule na na sabihin. Pero I assure you, yung mga nauna kong itinuro, yung numbers 1 to 3 na similar expressions, tama po lahat ng sagot nun. Hindi ko lang na ilagay yung rule ng subtraction. Okay? Yan, 6x plus 1. Okay. So let's have this one. So similar fractions, copy the denominator, subtract the numerator. So 6x plus 1 minus 4x minus 2. Okay. So apply natin yung rule ng subtraction. Kasi kanina dire-diretso yung ginawa ko, pero tama lahat yon. Ginawa ko tong last part na to kasi ayokong magkaroon ng confusions between sa mga bata. Sa mga bata, di pa sila ganun ka strong pagdating sa mga ganitong bagay. So let's have this one. So from positive 4x, it would be negative 4x. From positive 2, it could be, from negative 2, could be positive 2. Then proceed on addition. All over 2x. Now, so mapansin natin, meron na tayong similar terms. Meron tayong 6x plus negative 4 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, kasi positive 2 yan, plus 1 plus 2. All over 2x. So you have now 2x. 6 plus negative 4 is 2x plus 3 over 2. So this is our final answer. Yan pala, sorry. Over 2x. So this would be the final answer. Ngayon, ito po yung common mistake. Ang ginagawa po nung iba, kinakancel po ito. Tapos, ang sagot na lang 3. Kasi wala na daw natira. So this is totally wrong. Kasi ito po ay binomial. Dapat iti-treat mo din siya sa binomial. Di-divide mo rin siya sa binomial. Okay? So, yun lang yung ilang mga reminders. Okay, so ganun po natin siya ginagawa. Ang subtraction ng similar expressions, similar rational expressions, at saka dissimilar rational expressions. Okay, so I will leave the floor dun sa dalawa. Sila na bahalang mag-wrap up. Sila na rin ang bahalang mag-close. Okay, so kung wala na kayong questions, pakilagay lang sa comment section ang gusto niyong sabihin sa video na ito at iba pang gusto niyong malaman. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.
Ay nalaman nyo na kung paano mag-subtract ng rational expressions. Sa similar rational expressions, yung parehas ang denominators, ang gagawin nyo lang ay copy the denominator and subtract the numerators. Tapos, i-factor nyo, i-simplify, tingnan nyo kung may common factors at i-divide. Tapos, gawin nyo na into lowest term. Gotsit na yan. Paano naman pag dissimilar expressions? Pag dissimilar expressions, ang gagawin nyo ay gagawin nyo similar expressions. Katulad ng ginawa ni Teacher Jen. Kailangan may gawin kayo para maging magkamuka ang denominators. Tapos, proceed sa subtraction ng numerators. Then, ganun din, i-factor, kunin ang common factor ng numerators at denominators. Tapos, i-transform into lowest term ang natitirang expressions. Ganun kasimple. Kaya mga bata, ano pang hinihintay natin? Kunin na natin ang ating mga modules at sagutan ang mga math questions sa abot ng ating makakaya. Huwag kalimutan na mag-solve araw-araw kahit isang beses sa isang araw. Kasi pag inipon mo yon, makakaipon ka ng 365 hours sa isang taon sa pag-aaral ng math. At sa isang oras ay mayroon kang skills na maaaring matutunan. Kaya huwag kayong susuko sa pag-aaral ng math mga bata. Di ba gapsip na yan? Tama! Andito ang FB Live, ang DepEd TV at ang YouTube channel na ito. Pwede nyo uli itong panoorin na paulit-ulit o kaya naman si Teacher Jen o kaya si Ginoong Pikit na lang ang tanongin ninyo. Bakit ako lang? Kasi ako minsan nakakalimot ako pero naalala ko pa rin tsaka alam ko pa rin kung paano sagutan. Ay nako, ikaw talaga makakalimutin ka. Halika na, uwi na tayo. Napatakot na ko eh.